Hey guys, how are you all doing? My name is Ruchi and welcome back to Create with Ruchi. Friends, today we are gonna make Malai Laddu and this is a very easy recipe. Also, they are very delicious. These Malai Laddus we are gonna prepare with milk, paneer, milk powder and ghee.
Welcome back to Create with Ruchi. To my mama is going to make super super laddu
Look here and say.
that I taste in my life.
Now say it.
Super laddu in my life.
So without any further delay, let's get started. To prepare delicious creamy Malai Laddu, here I have taken one kadhai. In that I am adding 3 tablespoons ghee, which is also known as clarified butter. Now I am adding half a cup and 1 tablespoon milk. Here comes the main ingredient, which is milk powder. I am using 1 cup milk powder for this recipe. Immediately start mixing everything. They should be very well combined. There should be no lumps. With this recipe, we are gonna prepare about 20 laddus. If you want to prepare more laddus, you can increase the quantity of these ingredients. These laddus are so delicious that I'm sure you will double the quantity. Keep mixing everything. Slowly this liquid will become thick in consistency. Friends, if you are new to my channel and like my video, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get the notification for my upcoming videos. Also, check out my channel Create with Ruchi to learn more delicious recipes. Friends, as you can see, our milk powder and milk has become quite thick now. At this stage, we will add 1/3 cup of sugar. I'm adding sugar according to me and my family's preference, but you can adjust the quantity of sugar according to your taste buds. After mixing sugar, you will see the consistency has changed. Keep mixing, this will become thick in some times. After this is little thick, we will add 1 cup paneer, which is also known as cottage cheese. In weight, this is about 150 grams. Here I have grated this cheese, but if you like, you can grind it in a smooth paste. Now mix everything. To give beautiful color to these Malai laddus, here I am using pinch of orange red food color. This is optional, you can totally skip if you don't want to use food coloring. Keep mixing and let this cook until it becomes thick. I'm also using 1/4 teaspoon green cardamom powder. I roasted 3 green cardamom in microwave for about 30 seconds and then made a fine powder out of it. Cardamom powder is optional. If you don't like, you can skip it. Mix everything. Connect with me on Facebook and on Instagram. I will share the link in the description box below. Now the paste of this Malai laddu has become quite thick. You can switch off the flame and let this cool down to room temperature. Here I have transferred the paste in another bowl. To give more flavor to these Malai laddu, here I am adding some crushed pistachios and cashew nuts, but they are optional. Mix everything. Dry fruit should be very well incorporated in the paste. Now let this chill in refrigerator for some time. After chilling, the paste is ready to prepare some delicious Malai laddus. Take a small piece of paste, roll that in between your hands and make a beautiful ball. I'm garnishing laddus with some pistachios. Size of laddu, big or small, you can make according to your choice. Now same way we will prepare other laddus. With this recipe, I was able to make about 20 Malai laddus. However, the size of this laddu will make the difference. If you make the bigger laddu, you will get less quantity. Finally, our delicious Malai laddus are ready. Before serving, I refrigerated these laddus and then again rolled in my hand so they got the beautiful shape. As you can see, they look beautiful and they taste heavenly amazing. So friends, you saw how easily we prepared these delicious Malai laddus while using very less ingredients. Try my recipe out and share with your friends and family. You will get lots of compliments from them.
Happy Raksha Bandhan.
Happy Raksha Bandhan everyone.
Subscribe to Create with Ruchi. Press the bell icon.
Keep watching Create with Ruchi. I will be keep coming with more and more delicious recipes. Stay healthy, stay safe for now. Bye bye.